Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Master English Channel. My name is Sarah.
And I'm Kevin. Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining us today.
How are you today, Kevin?
I'm great, Sarah. Actually, I'm a little sunburned.
Sunburned? Oh, no. Were you outside in the sun?
Yes, I went to the beach yesterday. It was so sunny and hot.
Ah, the beach. That's perfect timing. Today, we're going to learn English for the beach.
Really? That's great. I needed this lesson yesterday.
Well, better late than never. So, Kevin, tell me, what did you do at the beach?
I swam in the ocean, I walked on the sand, and I sat under an umbrella.
Wonderful. You did so many things. Listen to how you described it. I swam, I walked, I sat. These are all past tense.
Oh, yes, because it happened yesterday.
Exactly. Now, let me ask you, do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I love it. The water is so refreshing, and the sound of the waves is relaxing.
Refreshing and relaxing. Those are perfect beach words. The water is refreshing. That means it makes you feel fresh and cool.
Yes, especially when it's hot outside.
And the waves are relaxing. The sound is calm and peaceful.
Exactly. I could listen to the waves all day.
Me too. Now, when you go to the beach, what do you bring with you?
I bring a towel, I bring sunscreen, and I bring a bottle of water.
Good. I bring a towel. I bring sunscreen. Very important. You need sunscreen at the beach.
Yes, I forgot to put on enough sunscreen yesterday. That's why I'm sunburned now.
Oh, Kevin, that's a painful lesson. Always use sunscreen, everyone.
Yes, please learn from my mistake.
Okay, so what else do people do at the beach?
They build sand castles, they play beach volleyball, they collect seashells.
Perfect. Build sandcastles, play volleyball, collect seashells. All great beach activities.
Do you like building sandcastles, Sarah?
I love it, but I'm terrible at it. My sandcastles always fall down.
Maybe you need more water in the sand.
Maybe, or maybe I just need more practice. Now, before we continue, we have a small request for everyone listening.
Yes, if you're enjoying this beach lesson, please subscribe to Master English Channel.
And don't forget to like this episode. It helps us create more content for you.
Also, please leave a comment. Tell us, do you like going to the beach? What's your favorite beach activity?
We read every comment. And please share this podcast with your friends who are learning English.
Thank you so much for your support.
Yes, thank you. Okay, let's continue learning beach English. Kevin, I want to teach you some important beach vocabulary. Let's talk about things you see at the beach.
Okay, I see the ocean, the sand, and the sky.
Good. Now, let's add more detail. Listen to these words: the shore, the tide, the horizon.
The shore, the tide, the horizon. What do those mean?
The shore is where the water meets the sand. It's the edge of the beach.
Oh, so I can say, I walked along the shore?
Perfect, yes. I walked along the shore. Now, the tide is the movement of the ocean. Sometimes the water comes up high, sometimes it goes down low.
Interesting. So high tide and low tide?
Exactly. High tide means the water comes far up the beach. Low tide means the water goes far out.
I understand. And what about horizon?
The horizon is the line where the ocean meets the sky, far away in the distance.
Oh, I can see the horizon when I look out at the ocean.
Yes. Now, let's practice a sentence together. Say this with me. I love watching the sunset on the horizon.
I love watching the sunset on the horizon.
Beautiful. Very clear pronunciation. Now, let's learn some action verbs for the beach. Listen carefully. Wade in the water, float on the waves, dive under the water.
Wade, float, and dive. Can you explain those?
Sure. Wade means to walk in shallow water. The water is only up to your knees or waist.
So not swimming, just walking in the water.
Exactly. I like to wade in the water. Now, float means to stay on top of the water without swimming.
Like lying on your back in the water.
Yes, I float on the waves. And dive means to go under the water quickly, head first.
Like jumping into the water.
Yes, but more specifically going down under the surface. I dive under the waves.
These are useful verbs. Let me try. I wade in the shallow water. I float on my back. I dive under the waves.
Perfect! You used all three correctly. Now, listeners, pause for a moment. Think about the beach. What's your favorite thing to do there? Swim? Wade? Build sandcastles? Think about it. We'll continue in a moment.
Yes, pause and imagine you're at the beach right now. What are you doing?
Okay, welcome back. Now, Kevin, let's talk about safety at the beach. This is very important.
Yes, the ocean can be dangerous sometimes.
That's right. So let's learn some safety phrases. Listen to these. Watch out for the waves. Stay close to the shore. Don't swim alone.
Watch out for the waves. That means be careful of the waves?
Exactly. Watch out means be careful, pay attention. Big waves can knock you down.
Yes, that happened to me once. A big wave hit me and I fell.
See, it happens. That's why we say watch out for the waves. Now, what about stay close to the shore?
That means don't swim too far out into the ocean?
Perfect, yes. Stay near the beach where it's safer. And always, always don't swim alone.
Right. Swim with a friend or family member.
Exactly. Safety first. Now let's learn some fun expressions. People say, I'm gonna hit the beach, or let's catch some waves.
Hit the beach? That sounds funny. Are we hitting something?
No. Hit the beach is a casual way to say, go to the beach. It's slang.
Oh, so I can say, let's hit the beach this weekend.
Perfect. Yes, very natural. And catch some waves means to surf or bodyboard.
Catch some waves. I like that expression.
It's very common, especially in beach towns. Now let's practice a real conversation. I'll be a friend inviting you to the beach. Ready?
Ready.
Hey, Kevin, the weather is beautiful today. Want to hit the beach?
Sure, that sounds great. What time?
How about 10 o'clock? We can get there before it gets too crowded.
Perfect. What should I bring?
Bring a towel, sunscreen, and maybe some snacks. Oh, and don't forget your sunglasses.
Got it. I'll bring everything. Should we swim or just relax on the sand?
Let's do both. We can swim first, then relax and build sandcastles.
Sounds like a perfect beach day. See you at 10.
Excellent, Kevin. That was a very natural conversation. You used great vocabulary.
Thank you. It felt natural because we practiced all the words first.
Exactly. That's how learning works. Now let's talk about beach weather. What kind of weather is best for the beach?
Sunny weather. Warm and sunny.
Yes, we say it's a perfect beach day, or it's great beach weather.
What if it's too hot?
Then we say it's scorching. That means extremely hot.
Scorching. Like yesterday, it was scorching hot.
Yes, and that's why you got sunburned. Now, what if it's cloudy?
Then it's not good beach weather?
Well, you can still go. We say it's a bit overcast when there are clouds. Some people prefer overcast days because the sun isn't too strong.
That's smart. Less chance of sunburn.
Exactly. Learn from your experience, Kevin. Now let's review everything we learned today.
Good idea. We learned so much beach vocabulary.
Yes, we learned about the shore, the tide, and the horizon.
We learned action verbs, wade, float, and dive.
We learned safety phrases. Watch out for the waves, stay close to the shore, don't swim alone.
And we learned casual expressions, hit the beach and catch some waves.
We also learned weather words, scorching, overcast, and perfect beach weather.
This is so useful. Now I can talk about the beach in English.
You can, and you know what? You already did in our practice conversation.
That's true. I feel more confident now.
That's wonderful. Now, listeners, it's your turn to practice. Think about your last beach trip, or imagine your perfect beach day.
Yes, try to describe it in English. What did you do? What did you see?
Practice saying these sentences out loud. I went to the beach. I swam in the ocean. I built a sandcastle. The weather was perfect.
Don't be shy. Speaking practice is so important.
Absolutely. And please write in the comments. Tell us about your beach experiences.
We want to hear from you. Do you prefer swimming or relaxing on the sand?
What's your favorite beach memory? Share with us.
Okay, everyone, that's all for today's beach lesson.
Thank you so much for listening. We hope you feel ready to use English at the beach now.
Remember, practice makes perfect, and always wear sunscreen.
Yes, learn from Kevin's mistake. Sunscreen is very important.
It really is, trust me.
All right, everyone, keep practicing your English every day.
We'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.
Bye, everyone. Enjoy your next beach day.